Dear children, now let us continue with the lesson. Maps are our friends. So already we discussed about the map skill. So today let us discuss about directions. So what are these directions here? Directions means here maps they show the direction. Here directions means already you learnt about the directions. Yes or no? Meeku directions gurinchi already telusu anukunta. So what does the directions say? This direction means it says about whether the places are near north, south, east, west. North, south, east, west. Maps are usually drawn with the north at the top. How the maps are drawn? Maps are usually drawn with the north at the top, where most maps indicate north with an arrow mark N. Like this. Most maps they indicate arrow mark N. Here N means what? North. Your maps are usually drawn with the north at the top. If you know where the north lies, it is easy to know about south, east, west. మీకు మీరు ఎక్కడైతే ఏ ప్లేస్లో అయితే నిలబడారో అక్కడ మీకు నార్త్ ఏది అనేది తెలిస్తే, ఇఫ్ యూ నో విచ్ ప్లేస్ ఇస్ నార్త్, దెన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఈజీ టు రికగ్నైజ్ విచ్ ఇస్ సౌత్, విచ్ ఇస్ ఈస్ట్ అండ్ విచ్ ఇస్ వెస్ట్. అండర్స్టూడ్? అంటే డైరెక్షన్స్ అనేది మీరు ఇలాగ ఈజీగా కనిపెట్టేయచ్చు అనమాట. మీరు ఏ ప్లేస్కి వెళ్ళినా వేరే ఎవరు ఆర్ స్టాండింగ్, ఇఫ్ యూ నో విచ్ ఇస్ ద డైరెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ నార్త్, మీకు నార్త్ ఒకటి తెలిస్తే సౌత్ అనేది ఆపోజిట్గా ఉంటుంది. నార్త్, సౌత్, ఈస్ట్, వెస్ట్. లైక్ దట్ యూ కెన్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ద డైరెక్షన్స్. డైరెక్షన్స్ అనేది అలాగే ఈజీగా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు. సో సియా ఇఫ్ నార్త్ ఈస్ అట్ ద టాప్, దెన్ సౌత్ ఈస్ అట్ ద బాటమ్, ఈస్ట్ ఈస్ అట్ ద రైట్ అండ్ వెస్ట్ ఈస్ అట్ ద లెఫ్ట్. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? నార్త్ ఈస్ట్ lies between north and northeast. Yes or no? Where this northeast lies? Here. This is north, south, east, west, and here northeast, northwest, and here southeast, southwest. అంటే డైరెక్షన్స్ అనేది ఇలాగా నోట్ డౌన్ చేయాలి. How you identify the northeast means between the north and east. Here you can see there is a east. Yes or no? This is north and this is east. This direction says about northeast direction. Then you can easily find out that it is a northeast direction. Here also, here west is there, no? And here it is north. So easily you can find out northwest direction. And here there is a south and here there is a west. Yes sir, you can easily find out the southwest direction. In the same way, you can find out easily even southeast direction. Here there is south and there is east. So you can easily find out the south-east directions. So like this you can easily find out the direction if you know which is north. అంటే మీరు ఎక్కడైతే నిలబడి ఉంటారో, ఏ ప్లేస్లో అయితే నిలబడి ఉంటారో ఆ ప్లేస్లో మీకు నార్త్ డైరెక్షన్ ఏది అనేది కరెక్ట్గా తెలిస్తే మీరు సౌత్ డైరెక్షన్, ఈస్ట్ డైరెక్షన్, వెస్ట్ డైరెక్షన్ యూ కెన్ ఈజీలీ ఫైండ్ అవుట్. యూ కెన్ ఈజీలీ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ సౌత్ డైరెక్షన్, ఈస్ట్, వెస్ట్, నార్త్ ఈస్ట్, నార్త్ వెస్ట్, సౌత్ ఈస్ట్ అండ్ సౌత్ వెస్ట్ డైరెక్షన్స్. సో హియర్ నార్త్ ఈస్ట్ లైస్ బిట్వీన్ నార్త్ అండ్ ఈస్ట్, నార్త్ వెస్ట్ బిట్వీన్ నార్త్ అండ్ వెస్ట్, అండ్ సౌత్ ఈస్ట్ బిట్వీన్ సౌత్ అండ్ ఈస్ట్, అండ్ సౌత్ వెస్ట్ బిట్వీన్ సౌత్ అండ్ వెస్ట్. సో వేర్ డస్ ఇట్ నార్త్ ఈస్ట్ లైస్? నార్త్ ఈస్ట్ అనేది ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది? ఇట్ లైస్ బిట్వీన్ నార్త్ అండ్ ఈస్ట్. నార్త్ ఈస్ట్ అనేది నార్త్ ఈస్ట్ మధ్యలో ఉంటుంది. ఇట్ లైస్ బిట్వీన్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ as what? Between. Here north east lies between north and east, and northwest lies between north and west. In between north and west, northwest lies. And here southeast lies in between south and east. In between south and east, it lies southeast. Here also southwest lies in between south and west. South and west మధ్యలో వచ్చేది south west అంటాం. This what you call south west. Like this you can identify the directions. Directions అనేది మనం ఇలాగా ఐడెంటిఫై చేయాలి. So here next let us discuss about colors. So what does colors say? See here cartographers utilize color on a map to represent certain features. Color use is often consistent across different types of maps by different cartographers or publishers. Map colors are or should be for a professional looking map always consistent on a single map. Color appears so often on map that we often take it for granted that mountains are brown, rivers are blue. Just as there are many types of color maps, there are also many, yes or no? There are also many different color schemes used by cartographers. So the map users should look to the legend for an explanation of colors on a map. So you might already I showed you some of the map pictures. Yes, sir. మీకు already book లో కొన్ని map pictures చూపించాను. When I showed you some of the map pictures, you might have seen some of the colors are located on the map. Okay, once again I'll show you that pictures. See here. This is the map, one of the map. Yes or no? What I showed, what I explained in this thematic map I explained. Thematic map means what does it say? It says about population. Population గురించి చెప్తుంది. Population, rainfall. Yes or no? So here it is given but in this dialog box they given about the rainfall. To know about the rainfall గురించి తెలుసుకోవాలంటే ఇక్కడ కొన్ని కలర్స్ ఇచ్చారు. Yes or no? So here who does this do here? ఈ కలర్స్ అనేది ఎవరు చేస్తారంటే it is done by cartographers. They will do the color to identify the location and to identify whether they are mountains, rivers, అలాగా ఐడెంటిఫై చేయడానికి దాని ఒక కలర్తో మార్క్ చేసింటారు. They give a symbol with the color. Not only that, when you see an Indian political map, you might have seen here all the states, yes or no? All the states are filled with some colors. Even the states are filled with some colors. Even the border is filled with some color, yes or no? And even state border also is lined with the color. Not only Indian political map. Whatever the Indian map I shown to you, you can see some of the colors in it. See the first one what I showed you, it is road map. మీకు ఫస్ట్ రోడ్ మ్యాప్ గురించి చెప్పాను. ఇక్కడ రోడ్ మ్యాప్లో మీకు ఏం చెప్పాను, వాట్ ఐ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్డ్, హియర్ ఆల్సో యూ క్యాన్ సీ ద కలర్స్ దట్ ఈస్ ఇన్ ద ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ లైన్స్. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? రోడ్ మ్యాప్ మీన్స్ ఇట్ టెల్స్ us about the national highway, golden quadrilateral, north south corridor, east west corridor and other roads. Next I explained about the political map. Yes or no? Defined about the territory of countries and cities. Country, border of a country and a city. Next I explained about Indian physical. What does this Indian physical say? Here also you can see some of the colors. Yes or no? They show natural physical features such as water bodies. In this you can see blue color lines. Many blue color lines are there. Yes or no? Their color is blue. Blue color lines you can see more in this India map. So what does this blue color lines tells? It tells about the water bodies. So not only the water bodies, even the rivers, landforms, mountains, deserts, hills. It is represented with some of the colors. So like this, here colors means just like explained to identify the location. Means to identify like rivers, mountains. Here cartographers they use the colors. So our expectations of colors on map leads to some problems. It leads to some problems when it is used for elevation. Elevation is often represented as a sequence of dark green, low elevation of dark greens, low elevation of even below sea level, or to brown hills. Brown hills to white or grey means it is the highest elevation. Since many people associate green with a fertile region, many map users will see lower elevations which may be deserts and no, don't ask me anything, just go. Now listen here. Also people may see the reds and browns of mountains and assume that they are barren, Grand Canyon type landscapes of desolation, but the mountains may be forested and covered in brush. See what they are saying here. Here color maps. Colors means what? Whatever the maps I showed you, it just says about some of the colors. అంటే ఒక మ్యాప్ని మనం ఐడెంటిఫై చేయాలంటే ఫస్ట్ దానికి కలర్స్ ఇచ్చింటారు అనమాట. కలర్స్ with the colors we can identify it very easily the maps and all. Now additionally, as water always appears bright blue on a map, ante when you see on a globe, when you see the globe, you can see water, the color of the water on the globe, it appears to be blue. Yes sir, not only the globe, even on the map also. When you see a map, India map or a world map, when you see an India map or a world map, you can see the water color, it is colored with blue. Yes or no? The user is often inclined to visualize any water on a map as a pristine and clear blue, even though it might be entirely different color due to pollution. Sometimes what happens, actually the water color will not be blue because of the pollution. Because of the water pollution, even the water also changes its color. Water, it might have changes its color. So always you can't say that water color is always blue, but while showing in the map, you can see that the water color is blue. Just I'll show you here one of the India map here. See, just look at this India map here. See, this is one of the India map. Here you can see the blue color. Yes or no? This blue color, what does it shows? It shows water. Yes or no? Here you can see here. What you can see here? One is Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean, Arabian Sea. Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean and Arabian Sea. So here road maps and other general use maps are often a jumble of color. They use map color in a variety of ways. Maps means here colors are used in a variety of ways. Varieties means here some different colors are used to locate some different locations, places, rivers, cities, countries, boundaries, like that. Different colors are used to identify the places, to identify about the map, to know about the map గురించి తెలుసుకోవాలంటే అలాగే different కలర్స్తో దాన్ని ఒక ఐడెంటిఫికేషన్ కోసం కలర్స్ యూజ్ చేస్తారనమాట. ఓకేనా?